experiencing unable to connect, network timeout, or login failed on your IBKR app. These errors often stem from network issues, VPN conflicts, DNS problems, or login authentication failures. We'll break down how to troubleshoot each of these issues effectively to get you back to trading quickly. This video focuses on solutions valid as of January 2026. First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Poor signal strength or data limitations can cause connection drops. Check if your firewall is blocking the IBKR app's ports. These are TCP port 7496 for live trading and 7497 for paper trading. If possible, switch to a different network to see if the problem persists. On Android, ensure the IBKR app has permission to use background data. VPNs can sometimes interfere with IBKR's API servers. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily to see if that resolves the connection error. If you need to use a VPN, consider reputable providers like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, as IBKR has improved compatibility with select providers. Be cautious with free or obfuscated VPNs. DNS resolution problems can block your device from locating IBKR servers. This happens when your ISP's DNS servers are unreliable or slow. The solution is to change your device's DNS settings to use a reliable public DNS service. Two popular reliable options are Google's public DNS at 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare's at 1.11.1. These servers are fast and stable, often resolving connectivity issues caused by ISP DNS problems. Changing DNS settings varies by device. Here are the steps for common platforms. On Windows, go to Network Settings, select your connection, click Properties, then Internet Protocol version 4, and enter the DNS addresses. On Mac, open System Preferences, go to Network, select Wi-Fi, click Advanced, then the DNS tab, and add the DNS servers. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Private DNS, select Provider Hostname, and enter dns.google or p2.freecontrolD.com. On iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the info icon next to your network, scroll to DNS, and enter the addresses. After updating DNS settings, restart your device and test the IBKR app connection. This often fixes issues caused by unreliable ISP DNS servers. Double-check your login credentials, including your username and password. Ensure they are entered correctly to avoid authentication errors. Ensure two-factor authentication is set up correctly and that your 2FA app is up to date. Outdated apps can cause login failures. Try clearing the IBKR app's cache and data to reset your session data. This can resolve persistent login issues. On iPhones with Face ID, enabling biometric login can bypass recurring authentication errors. Set up Face ID properly for smoother logins. The IBKR app includes built-in diagnostic tools to help identify connection problems. Start by accessing the app's Settings menu and locate the Connection Status feature. This tool provides real-time information about your connection health and can pinpoint specific issues like network failures or authentication errors. Once in the Connection Status tool, review the indicators for any red flags or error messages. This helps you understand if the problem is on your end or requires IBKR's intervention. If connection issues continue despite basic troubleshooting, use the diagnostic tool to generate a detailed report. This report captures technical details like error logs, network configuration, and system information. Send the generated diagnostic report directly to IBKR customer support through the app or website. This specific information allows their technical team to quickly identify and resolve the root cause of your connection problems. IBKR's app version 10.19, released in October 2025, includes enhanced error handling for network disconnections and improved VPN compatibility with providers like NordVPN and ExpressVPN. Keep your app updated to access these improvements. Some users have found success by combining solutions, such as disabling their VPN and changing DNS settings simultaneously. Community forums like Reddit and Investopedia offer additional troubleshooting tips from other users. AI-assisted troubleshooting is a growing trend within the IBKR app, using machine learning to auto-detect and resolve common errors. Looking ahead, IBKR is actively working on certifying more VPN services to reduce compatibility issues. They're also incorporating quantum-resistant encryption to protect against future cybersecurity threats. Trends in mobile app development, including better integration with iOS 18 and Android 15, will reduce reliance on manual network fixes. The rise of 5G and satellite internet technologies is expected to significantly lower connection error rates. However, regulatory firewalls in certain regions, such as China, may still present challenges for connectivity. Stay tuned for updates and improvements to the IBKR app's connectivity.